Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. Alright, so today we have the LectroFan High Fidelity White Noise Machine with 20 unique non-looping fan and white noise sound and sleep timer. So what is that? Basically, this is a device that you turn on at nighttime or when you're taking a nap, or if you just want to drown out some noise. It has white noise, it has fan sounds that just kind of drown out the noise and help you get some sleep. Now, I am a living, breathing testament to these devices. I use an Amazon Alexa, and I just put on pink noise, and I do that every single night religiously. It really helps me sleep. It seems like I get a little bit of deeper sleep. But I wanted to replace the Amazon Alexa with something that's more dedicated to this field. So this is all it does. It's fan sounds, white noise. You just turn it on or the volume and just set it and forget it. You can set a timer if you'd like. This is about, I got it for $36 off of Amazon. It comes in black and white, and it's highly reviewed. A lot of people seem to like it. So that said, let's get it unboxed. You got soundofsleep.com if you want to go. Designed in California. Cool. I live in California, so it's pretty cool. Package includes one LectroFan, owner's guide, AC adapter, and USB power cable. That's cool. Alright, so we got white, pink, and brown noise. Alright, high fidelity digital fan sounds, auto shut off timer, and AC or USB power, which is great. I'll probably connect to AC, but it's good to know. Your personal fan sound and white noise machine. Perfect. Alright, with that said, let's get the dang thing unboxed. Alright, connect with us, blah blah blah. Owner's manual. Shouldn't be too hard. There's your power cable. White noises. Pick your sound, blah blah blah. Okay, no problem. Okay, what do we got here? This is our USB cable. Perfect. Alright, get your butt out of there. Okay, your standard port USB adapter on it. Pretty flimsy, pretty light. No problems. Now this is what we really want. Alright, now anything under there? No, nothing in there. Okay, let's open this baby up. Feels pretty good. Maybe about a pound or two. Nice, sleek, easy to use. You can route the cable underneath if you need to. AC adapter goes underneath. Perfect. Simple, easy to use. Nothing too fancy, nothing too complicated. On/off button. 60-minute timer. Volume up, volume down. Fan sounds and white noises. Easy peasy. Alright, let's get this thing powered on and I'll go through some of its features and we'll see how it sounds. Okay, so I already connected one end of the adapter to my USB port. You also can plug into this as well, into an AC adapter, but for the sake of the video, it's just plugged into my USB port. Alright, so you can plug in directly at the bottom there. Like I said, you can route the cables. I'll do that later. Just kind of route it like that, as you can. I'll do it right now. Why not? Why not? It's already there. Alright, so let's route it just like so. Alright, so as you can hear, the unit came on immediately. Sounds pretty good. Let's check the volume. Loud. You got on and off. And the timer, if you want a 60-minute timer, because when you turn it on, it will be continuous. It'll just run until you turn it off. You can do a 60-minute timer and keep pressing it to add an additional 60 minutes each time. So 60, 120, you get the point. So 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 or 5. There's no notification of how many times you hit it. So if you do hit it too many times, you want to reset, just turn it off, then back on. Alright, now let's go over some of the fan sounds here. Let me grab the booklet here, and this should go through. As you can see, it kind of tells you all the noises. So I take it that the first one defaulted should be large fan. Let's turn it up a little bit. And we'll just go through each of these one by one. Alright, so that's large fan, industrial fan, mellow fan, mellow fan high, exhaust fan, attic fan, circular fan, vent fan, box fan, and oscillating fan. Alright, that gives it a little noise that you've reset and you're back at the beginning. That's pretty cool. I was wondering how you would know. Alright, now let's go over the white noises. Lowest pitch white noises first, and then all the way down to pure white. So this first one should be brown, chestnut, cinnamon, tan, amber, cream, pink, coral, champagne, and pure white. Okay, and that's all the noises. That is the LectroFan. Easy, simple. You got fan sounds, white noises, power on and off, 60-minute timer, and volume up and down. You can plug into AC outlet or just a USB port on your computer. It's very lightweight. Build quality is great. Plug this in. This thing's going to work. It works great. If you would like this product, I'll put a link in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.